Let's go over how to use the Surface and Groundwater System, or SGS, to submit plans and meet your regulatory requirements. In order to enter or submit a stormwater management plan, erosion and sediment control plan, green area ratio plan, or to complete SRC-related tasks, you'll need to create an SGS account. Let's go over how to do that. Accounts are created at doee.dc.gov/SGS. Once you request your account, DOEE will approve it within 1 business day, but generally much faster than that. This approval process is to make sure that people aren't creating duplicate accounts or using generic emails like permits@email.com. Once it's approved, you'll create your password and security questions. If you don't see the approval confirmation email within a day or so, check your spam folder. The email will be from notify@quickbase.com, which sometimes gets sent to people's spam folders. One very important point is every SGS user must have unique login credentials. You can't share passwords even within an organization and even with permission from the other person. The SGS is used to sign legally binding documents, so we need to make sure that the person signing is the person listed on the account. We have processes set up to allow different people to access the same project without sharing passwords. For more information on that process, see the video titled Owners, Agents, and Staff. You see when you go to the SGS landing page at doee.dc.gov/SGS. Once your account is created, your login credentials will be your email address and the password you chose. To request an account, click here to register. If you forget your password, no problem, you can reset your password by clicking here. To create an account will take you to the account request page. Again, once you've submitted your account request, you should see an email from notify@quickbase.com within a day or so, and remember to check your spam folder. Enter the information that DOEE will use to contact you, not the information about a specific project you might be entering. This is your account, not an account for your project, so you may use it over and over again for different projects. You can select the Create an Organization account in the drop-down if you will be making sites or projects on behalf of an organization or employer. Make sure to check with your organization first to see if someone already manages the organization account for your company. If a duplicate organization account is requested, DOEE will only create your individual account. For more information, check out the Owners, Agents, and Staff video for how to get yourself added as staff of your organization account if it already exists. Confirmation email that we have received your request. This day, you'll get an email that looks like this. Click on the button, go to this app in QuickBase to finish the account setup process. To this page where you can set your password. Again, do not share your password with anyone, including DOEE. It is against our policy to share passwords. We have processes in place to share project information along project team members without sharing passwords. For more information, check out the Owners, Agents, and Staff video. Turn to doee.dc.gov/SGS and log in using your email and the password you've created. You can also change or reset your password by clicking here. Login button, you'll see this page. It'll ask you if you have a dc.gov or k12.dc.gov email or not. If you have one of those email types, click yes. If you don't have that type of email, click no. This is just so our database platform knows where to send you within the SGS. That you had a non-dc.gov or k12.dc.gov email address, it will take you to this page where you can log in. There's also a link on this page to reset your password if you ever forget it.